with this sabji curry and puli inji and special Andhra mango pickle. I'm going to have my rice for lunch today. Hey, welcome. Today I'm going to show a traditional amma's, my mother's, very special morikal using onion, 1 onion, 2 tomatoes, little dahi, curd, turmeric powder, little salt, maybe chili, green chili. That's it. It's going to be a marvelous, beautiful, extraordinary, tasty gravy. I like dahi mix, very specific color, nice aroma. Let us make it. Show you how to make it. Wait. Chopping onion, chopping tomato, wash it well, beautifully cut it, nice shape. Maybe a tadka, the beginning. It could be added later, but it's easier. Some mustard, curry leaf, fry it with onion and tomato. That's going to be the sequence. Turmeric powder, salt to be added. Keep it for some time. Normal temperature. Add dahi. It takes hardly 5 minutes. Most delicious. Amma's, mother's special sabji. Now tawa is ready. Tomato is cut. Tomato is cut. Onion and mirchi. You can see the way in which I cut it. Very nicely, very carefully. I do it with a passion. Same size. My mother was very, very specific. When you cut vegetables, the size have to be exactly same. She has a measurement, a passion for cooking. So each tomato piece, you can see it looks exactly same size. Right? Thickness is same. The onion is cut so nicely. You can see each bit by bit. Nicely cut onion and mirchi and tomato and curry leaf. Curry leaf is washed perfectly on the filter. So light the tawa, maybe half cup of oil. Yeah, heat it up. Add little kadugu, avalu, mustard. Now I don't do in a hurry. I make things, everything very systematically ready, and the spoon is also kept ready. Vessels are kept ready. Non-stick, so don't use any steel to rinse it. Only use wooden tawa. Mustard started bursting. Fat, 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 fat. All through 5 minutes. That's it. Yeah. Yeah, little bit of beauty. I'm adding chili flakes. Chili flakes to give some color. This chili flakes. And add onion. Added onion. Start stirring onion well. Yeah, you can see this. I started stirring onion well. Ah, beautiful smell is coming. Onion and mirchi, as it becomes slightly brownish, because that will become stiff. You can see it's equal size. Each bit by bit is separated. That's because I just smashed it before putting. And then put the tomato. Tomato is added. Tomato is added. As tomato is added, and then stir it well. You don't have to add water at all. No water. because once you add tomato and good oil is already there, and tomato will make it little juicy. I'll add salt and turmeric now. Now our sabji is ready. I kept it to sim for some time and it's cooked well. I added tamarind and salt. Just keep it aside for some time. That's it. Keep it aside for some time. Let it come to the normal temperature. Shifted it there. My rice is to be cooked, so it's getting ready. Thank you. My rice is cooked. That much time only I took. 5 minutes. This is the shape now. It's normal room temperature. I can off the stove for the rice. Yes, ready. Very simple. Take little curd, dahi, add to this. Totally add to this. Maybe half cup. 2 tomato, 1 onion. Now mix it properly. Mix it properly. No heating. After dahi, no heating. Only the original onion, tomato fried. Maybe tadka, curry leaf and mustard and curry leaf. Turmeric, salt and mirchi. Add this. Maybe to serve 2 people. I'm transferring it to the bowl. The taste, smell. See, this was almost every day that my mother used to make during my childhood. Rice with this sabji. It's so yummy. Smell. Looks cute. I'll show you. With this sabji curry and puli inji and special Andhra mango pickle, I'm going to have my rice for lunch today.